Today we're gonna be doing another episode of Snipers vs Thieves. Let's play as a thief today. Be sure to like and subscribe this video. And yeah, let's get right into it. This is what I got. Let's just unlock this really quickly. Okay, that looks good. Okay, so this is what I'm using right now. Up here, and let's go into it. I'm gonna be doing some heists, just like two or three heists of them. Just another video on it for this board, so I'll just do one. So until this loads downtown, okay, that's really easy. Shouldn't be too hard. That's the bank that we just robbed. Now we have to go back to the car. If you guys are new here, please be sure to subscribe, like video with your family, anyone, your brother, your friends, anyone. Oh, he ate my bag. That was a close one. See, look on the top right corner, we have this. Let me get a health thing because he poisoned me. Now he gets like different kind of ammo bullets things. Look, he just killed me off. He got that poison ammo. That's really good for killing actually. It's like it's really cheap ammo, but it's like really good. I don't know why it kills me all the time. I get shot with it a lot. Robbing Polaris. Police on scene in 30 seconds. We gotta wait. We don't get there in 30 seconds and they lose. Oh, I got busted. That's okay. We'll just play another 2 rounds. Hurry, hurry. Counted the money. Oh, shoot. Now let's go play another one. Let's get right into this one. Okay. See, he has that poison ammo. That was really good. And that one, too. This guy's got a nice mask, too. Nice mask. I got a beast mask. I have a lot of masks. Some of them I sold them because they're really ugly. I have 2 beast masks. I can sell them after. They're really nice, actually. My favorite masks. Okay, let's get right here. See, we have to wait until it's recharged up. The guy right behind me is most likely to get shot because there's 2 people. It's hard to get duck cover or whatever you want to call it. So he's using. No, I'm get shot, but he left. He was just using the ammo. That was really good ammo he was using. Oh shoot! I should have went the other way. Could have took the extra money. Let's go over here so I don't have to get shot. He's actually really close right now. We gotta get to that van. Let's go there. Now. Run. Hurry up, hurry up, hurry up. Okay, got in there. Good. We got almost 6K. That's really good. And daylight. Oh, he's gonna die. Well, that was a lot of bangs. Okay. We got away. 5.95K. Not bad. Almost $6,000. Got a loot safe. And we got multiply thing, add thing. I don't know what you want to call it. Previous reward 1K. Next reward we get a key. Okay, that's good. Now I want to show you masks right now. These are 2 masks. Nothing here. Nothing here. I got these ones. I like this gas mask. It's a deluxe one. I don't know why that's called deluxe. That was really ugly. Also have that unicorn mask. I like that one too. like that one. I was gonna sell it, but I just thought I'll leave it. It's really scary. And this one is one of my favorites too. And these two are my favorites. My most favorites are these two, and I also like Colmar Red, I think. Oh, early access mask. That's nice. That's the special edition one. Let's go back. Okay. Guys, I'll play as a sniper for you guys once. I'm really sucky at it. Wait, where's my... Equip this one. Wait. Oh, I don't have this one. We'll buy it after. There's all the way. And we got these 3 kinds of ammo. I'm gonna switch this ammo with this one. It's actually epic, the poison ammo. I'm gonna put it on because actually it's really good ammo. Let's upgrade it one more time. And also it's really good. Equip this one. Now, let's go back. Wait, sorry, wrong place. Stay here and let's go here. There's another ammo that makes their head bigger, which is kind of funny, so then you can shoot their head easier. Deal twice as much as damage by shooting the thief in the head. Oh, that's really good. Yeah, it makes their head bigger and then it's easier because if you're really close, but then in the game you're really far, then it's really hard to shoot them. I really suck at them. Okay, nice mask. I like that mask. I have an old man mask. It looks really funny. Okay. Doing it at the docks. This one's kind of hard actually to shoot people, but it's really easy to get cover because it's like behind stuff. Okay, it's really hard to shoot people. This is the hardest to shoot. I think those things are for like to like. Boom. Boom. The hell? Why is he not dying? This guy's gotta be a hacker. Wait. Oh my. Let's another poison ammo in. Again. Little time bomb. Yes, okay. We got 2 people, I think. I don't know, maybe 3. Where's our money? We'll probably get money. Where's our money? Oh, okay, we only $380. Oh, someone never got busted. Okay. See, that's why I don't like the snipers. Look, he only got like $380. Okay, guys, be sure to subscribe and view my videos. If you guys like them, please put a like to my videos. And I'll see you guys when I see you guys. Bye-bye.